Hey, Motorman here with my tip of the week. Last week we showed you this, but I got a lot of questions about it. People didn't quite understand it. What we're going to show you is the snowman exercise. It's 3 circles, the first of which is 30 feet. The next one is 26 feet. You'll be going to the right. And the very last one is 24 feet to the left. And then you repeat it and come back through it again. Head and eyes, extremely important. That's what this teaches you. Not that you're going to ride in circles on the road, but it's going to force you to use your head and eyes. Tear it up, Donna. That's 30 foot to the left, easy. Make sure you use all the room available. Now we got 26 feet to the right, that's a little bit tougher. Last one is 24 feet to the left. And then you simply come back through it again. And don't forget, folks, we got the Ride Like a Pro book. Focus in on that. That's the book and the video. Teach you all these techniques. 3 techniques. Takes 3 or 4 hours to master. We got both of these on sale for $39.90, saving about $10 over the old price. This will teach you how to use these techniques to the extreme. That's what separates the amateur from the professional. Till next week.